Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you the removal and install of spark plugs. I actually removed them before I did all the timing and stuff like that, but I did film it, so I'll just crop them together. Now I'm just going to be doing the install, and so I'll cover what you'll need really to install it. The only thing you really need to remove it is a couple extensions and a special spark plug socket, and that's pretty much all you need to install as well, plus the new plugs. So if you look here, this is pretty much all it takes. There's a special little socket here for a spark plug. It has a little hole in the bottom you can see, and it kind of seats down in there. The spark plug sits really well in there, and so it allows you to kind of, it gives it like a little place to sit in as you're lifting it out, so it doesn't just kind of hang loose in there and fall through. A couple extensions just to get in there. I happen to have little swivel extensions, but truthfully for me, with the way I have everything pulled out, it's really a straight shot, so I didn't really need any. But extensions help. Dielectric grease, just to kind of go over the. It's just a insulator to prevent, I guess, moisture and stuff from getting in, and so I'll show you how to put that on as well. You don't need a lot of this. This is probably more than I'll ever need. I mean, I'll probably have this for a while because it doesn't take a lot. But hey, this is what I have. This is the smallest pack they had at the AutoZone when I ran up there. Alright, so for the plugs, I'm using a OEM plug, just a set of Motorcraft plugs that were recommended for the Coyote. So I didn't get anything special or anything. So if you have a Coyote, you should probably have either these plugs or something like it. And like I said, they're just a regular Motorcraft plug, so you'll see I have 8. I'm just gonna replace them all. Honestly, the ones that came off didn't look like horrible or anything, but I figured, hey, while I'm tearing everything apart and doing all of this, it just makes sense to replace everything. So I'll get these set up, I'll grease them, and then we'll go start putting them in.